In this video, I'll show you how to stake Cake on PancakeSwap. First, open your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance Web3 wallet. Make sure your wallet is connected to the correct network, usually BNB Smart Chain. You should also have Cake tokens available in your wallet, plus a small amount of BNB to pay network fees. Next, open the official PancakeSwap website. Always double-check the website before connecting your wallet, because fake DeFi websites can steal your funds. Once PancakeSwap opens, click Connect Wallet and choose the wallet you are using. Your wallet will show a connection request. Review the website name carefully, then approve the connection. Now look for the Earn, Pools, or Cake Staking section, depending on the current PancakeSwap layout. This is where you can find available staking options for Cake. Select the Cake staking pool you want to use. PancakeSwap may offer different staking options, so read the details carefully before depositing. Check the reward information, lock period if there is one, estimated return, and any withdrawal rules. If this is your first time staking Cake, you may need to approve the token first. Click Enable or Approve Cake, then confirm the approval in your wallet. This gives PancakeSwap permission to use your Cake for staking. After approval is complete, click Stake or Deposit. Enter the amount of Cake you want to stake. Before confirming, review the amount and any pool details again. Now approve the staking transaction in your wallet. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your Cake should appear inside the staking pool. From there, you can monitor your staked amount and any rewards. Depending on the pool, you may be able to claim rewards, add more Cake, or unstake later. Remember, staking still has risks. Token prices can change, smart contract risks exist, and some pools may have lockup conditions. Always read the details and only stake an amount you are comfortable risking. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.